in which we've discussed, right, previously. So these are the things I'll be laying emphasis on, and we'll be backtesting. So I have 4 pairs in mind to backtest with us: one commodity, one melter, US oil, one currency, 2 currency pair, then gold. Yeah, so gold, US oil, USDJPY, then GBPUSD. So these are the pairs that we'll be backtesting. So let's say you listen to the advice I gave you the last class we had, which was don't bother yourself with a lot of technicalities, right? You see, human beings, we are designed, right, to believe more in complexity than in simplicity. That is the reason why you will see the purpose of moving from one place, from Lagos to Abuja. The purpose of moving from Lagos to Abuja can be done with a Toyota Matrix, which is a small car. Can be done with what's it called? A Toyota Corolla, which is a small car. But we human beings don't like simplicity. We want it sophisticated. We want something that is mind-blowing. Like when they look at the chart looks rough, everything looks confusing. Hey, that's why many people believe that they are trading. It's a lie. It's a lie. You see, what matters in Forex trading is consistency. If this is what you can take away from today's class, I'm telling you, consistency. Exact same thing you did that gave you profit is the same thing that you will do that will give you losses. No cap. Right? So I want you to follow me. I will explain the strategy in a bit, and I'll be doing more of breakdowns in the bootcamp, but I'll just explain it in a bit. So now, the strategy comprised of just 3 lines. The highest point price got to yesterday, the lowest point price got to yesterday, and the closing price for yesterday. Right? After getting these 3 lines, the second thing, the first thing you want to actually take note of. The second thing you want to take note of is the session of the instrument you are trading. The session of the instrument you are trading. As a trader, you don't just wake up, open any chart, and believe that you can place any trade and it goes your way. No. Everything is, in fact, even the Bible, the Holy Scripture for the Christians, says that there is time for everything, which simply means it's not every time that you should wake up on your screen and place a trade. There's a time that trade should be placed. There's a time it should not be placed. For example, now you are trading GBPUSD. GBP belongs to Great Britain, while US dollar belongs to United States. You know that GBPUSD is London section. If you place trade on GBPUSD around Tokyo section, around Sydney section, you know that you are doing it the wrong time. So hence, whatever result that comes out, you bear the consequence, right? So let's do something. Let's do something now. So I'm going to try as much as possible to make my screen so plain. I don't want to wait. In the next 1 hour, we should be done with this class. Next 1 hour, we should be done with this class. So I want each and every one of us to get the holistic understanding of things I'll be discussing. So let me delete this indicator. So this is your plain chart. Everybody, this is how your chart looks like, right? This is how your chart looks like. If your chart looks like this, right, it simply means that, okay, you have 2 things to do. Is that you start analyzing, start doing the rigor of analysis in which other people are doing, or you obey these things I'm about to tell you now. What you want to do, let's say this was last week Monday. I'm coming. Let's cut this chart. Let's cut this chart. Last week Monday. Let's go to last week Monday. Monday. Let's go to last week Monday. Okay, I think this is last week. Okay, this is Friday. Okay, this is Monday. Aha, this is Monday. So let's cut this chart. So now we are going to be trading these markets as if this is on US oil, as if last week never happened. And we are going to be following strictly the rules I'll be giving us. Let's take, for example, you will be the accountant. Let's take, for example, now, you have $1,000 or, $1,000. In fact, $100. Let's do average. At least everybody here, with savings and everything, should be able to afford $100. Let's say you have $100 with you, right? And you want to trade not as a gambler. See, by the time you are looking to actually flip your account the way I'm doing, right, I will tell you for free, every time you see me turn 50,000 to this particular amount, 500,000 to this particular amount, I will always say this: I can afford to lose that money, right? So which simply means I can gamble with it. Most flip that happens, they are usually not far away from gambling. The only thing that makes them different from gambling is understanding of what they are doing. So now we are not gambling. Now we want to trade Forex like business persons, like businessmen. That's how we want to trade Forex now. So basically what you want to do here now, once you have your chart this way, is come to this indicator here. No, before you even come to indicator, come to these settings. Toggle on session break. Click on OK. Once you've done this, you will notice that some lines will pop up on your screen, dividing that screen this way, like what you have in here. Like, notice this line, this line, this line. Notice, now, they are dividing. So this is Thursday, this is Friday, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, then this is Monday. That was upper week Monday. Now, after doing this, the next thing you want to do is you want to come to this indicator. Once you get to this indicator, start session on chart. Session on chart by AUROX. You see this one? Don't click this part. Click this part. Once you click this part, these colors are going to pop out on your screen. The way you are seeing it on my screen right now. These colors are going to pop out on your screen. Once they pop out, you'll notice that they are different colors. This yellow line here means Tokyo section. This green line here means London section. This dark part here means the lap of London section and New York section. This pink part is New York section. This dark part between this yellow line and this green line is the lap of Tokyo section and what? And London section. Okay? If you understand to this point, drop one in the comment section. If you understand to this point, please drop one in the comment section. Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. So now, based on this information we have here now, let's zoom in. Let's zoom in a bit. Now, we are trading US oil. Please, if you are jotting, write this down. US oil move best. You will get entry best on US oil at London section and New York section. London section at New York section. So after doing this, what you want to come here is you want to come to this this part, click on settings, then after talking on this point here, these colors, come to this part here. Yours might be hidden. Come to this point here. You see section D here. Come to these settings here. These settings around here. Click on these settings. Once you click on these settings, you come to what we need is London and New York. We don't need Tokyo. Toggle it off. Then okay. Then you see that this yellow line will disappear. So the colors we have in here is London and what? And New York section. After this is done, let's forward to the next day. So beautiful. Now, you see, this is Friday. This is a new Monday. What I'm going to do here is I will come to this point on my screen. This point on my screen. You see this horizontal ray. Click on this horizontal ray. Drop it at the highest point price got to between this line and this line. Click on the lowest point price got to. Click on the close of price, which is here. Click on the close of price. Are we together? Please, do you understand to this point? Okay. What you want to do is come to horizontal ray. Horizontal ray. This is horizontal ray. Click on this horizontal ray. Drop it at the highest point price got to, which is here. Between this session break line, this one here, and this one. Right? Same thing. Click the lowest point price got to. Then add it to the close of price on Friday. Then you wait. You wait for what? You wait for market section. Someone said I should explain the close of price. Okay. Now the close of price simply means the look at this last candle. Let's zoom in. Look at this last candle. This last candle here, right? It's a bullish candlestick. Where did this bullish candlestick close? It's closed here, right? So this is it. All of this will happen on 15-minute time frame. Everything should be on 15-minute time frame. So let's forward. Let's do this now. So we are going for London section. We are waiting for London section. So let's wait. Let's wait for London section. Let's wait for London section. Okay. So let's wait for London section. Okay. So rejection at that line. So this is a sign for entry, but it's not at the market section. You are not considering it. Let's wait for the next one. Multiple signals now. Okay. But not at the market section. So no entry. No entry. Not at the market section. So you wait patiently. Wait patiently. Not at the market section. Okay. Not at the market section yet. You'll be wondering, why am I waiting? What am I doing here? So now, this is what the strategy is talking about. If price come to this point here, if price come around, let's say around what's it called? Around London section. Around London section now. If price come, and I'm coming. If price come around London section and give us weak rejection on this line, and it is London section, we sell. If price comes to this side, give us weak rejection around here, sign of rejection, we buy. If price breaks this point through at London section, we buy. Or New York. If price come here, give us weak rejection on this line, we sell. If price break you through, we buy. If price breaks this line down to this side, we sell. If price retest it, we sell. If price breaks this line down, we sell. So just focus. Just focus. You get it. Just focus. So let's see now. It's almost market section. It's almost market section. So let's wait. Okay. Now, please, everyone, what section are we having now? This is what? London section. Remember, this green line has popped out. And now, price breaks down this purple close of price for yesterday, for Monday. But now, what happened? Price at the open of London section, price pretended as if it wants to sell. But what happened? Price broke it back up. So automatically, see, don't stress yourself. Just at the close of this candlestick, buy here. Stop loss at the tip of this candlestick here. Target is 1 to 2 as usual. You should know me for that. 1 to 2 as usual. Then let's see what price we do. Okay. Okay. That's it. 1 to 2. Don't stress yourself. 1 to 2. You are done. Okay. So now, as you are done here, everybody is looking for entry. You didn't even bother yourself with trend line or any analysis. Straight. Now, let's go to the next day. 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 We are done here. Let's go to the next day. Next day. Same thing you've done. Same thing. Same thing you've done. So now, look at this. Mark the highest point of yesterday's price, which is here. Mark the lowest point of yesterday's price, which is here. Mark the closing price for yesterday. Where's the closing price? A bearish candlestick is below it here. What are you waiting for? Wait for London section. Wait for London section. Wait for London section. Okay. So let's wait for London section. Okay. London section is here. No entry yet. Beautiful. My people, what's this? Here. Here. At the break of this candlestick at London section, your entry is here. This is your entry. The breakdown here. Now, pretending as if we don't know that this is going to happen. Where will your stop loss be? Above this candlestick. This is where my stop loss is going to be. So automatically, my TP, my SL is taken here. My SL is taken here. Yeah. So this is a loss for us, right? You are done for the day. Wait for the next day. Wait for the next day. It's as simple as that. Wait for the next day. So beautiful. So same thing, same process. Mark the highest point. Mark the lowest point. Mark the lowest point. Mark the close of price, which is here. Wait for London section again. Okay. Let's wait. 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 Okay. Okay. Not yet. Okay. It is London section now. So let's wait. Okay. Beautiful. Guys, look at this. This is a breakout, right? Now, where will I'm going to be buying now. I'll be buying now on this LD candlestick. This is where my buy is. My stop loss will be below this point here, below this candlestick here. Then target 1 to 2. 1 to 2. So now you might be wondering, for this guy here, my stop loss is here. But for this guy here, my stop loss should be here, but I extend my stop loss a little bit to this point here. There's something called market structure. There's a synergy between major structure and micro structure. For those who are already in the boot camp already, we are going to talk extensively on this. Now, if you go to 1 minute time frame, this is how many people don't know. See, many people don't know how to even set stop loss. I'm telling you. Look at this point here. If you should check, I'm just going to give you an expo about it. This trend, impulsive, this is correctional. This is an impulsive move. This is correctional. This is an impulsive move. This is correctional. All of this here is an impulsive move. The only reasonable place to put your stop loss is where? The previous lower low that created this higher high. Now, there are two laws that guide market trend. The first law is the law of uptrend, which is what is working here. The law states that price will continue to be on an uptrend so far price keep breaking highs. So you notice that this high here is broken, this high here is broken, this high here is broken, but not low. This low here is not broken, not broken, not broken, not broken. So for no reason should price come back to clear out this low here. If price is going to come down, price is going to come down to this point here. Price is going to come and clear this point here. And this is where people that wants to learn how to stack, this is where it comes in. Understanding of this principle, right? Hi. Now, please permit me. I'm going to be putting everything into one place. I pray you get it. But let me just try and compress everything. Now, there's something called the characteristics of correction of impulsive move. Part of the, for those who have been attending my class, you should know this. Part of the characteristics of impulsive move is this. Impulsive move, number one, they are aggressive. Number two, they are caused by fundamental. Number three, they what's it called? They give false reversal patterns. Number five, which is what I want to talk about, market impulsive move. Whenever they want to come to an end, impulsive move like creating a structural like movement that validates the next correctional move that is going to happen. Impulsive move, they like to create a structural like movement when it wants to come to an end to validate the next correctional move that is going to happen. So now, don't be surprised if we have a sell to this point here. It will clear out this structural like move here. Then price will go up. So at this sell, I understand this. So when I'm seeing this sell happen, I know that this is money making time. So let's go to 15 minutes where we have our entry. Let's go to 15 minutes where we have our entry. So let's play this market. Okay, price is coming there already. Okay, so let's see. Maybe price will take us out. Okay, amazing. That was what I was trying to explain to you. I hope you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. So we have our 1 to 2 already. I think we have our okay, almost 1 to 2. I think we should have our 1 to 2 already. Let's see. Wow, we didn't have our 1 to 2. Let's see. Let's see here. Now, you will remember this trade. You should remember this trade. I called this trade. And let me see if I can show you. Let me see if I can show you. The day I made $16,000. This was the trade. This was the trade. Let me show you. Let me show you if there's a way I can show you guys. Aha. Yes. So please just bear with me. I want to share my screen so that everyone can see it. Okay. Let me connect my screen. So we cannot see it. So that you won't think that everything is guess. No, you're not guessing. You know this thing. Like you can know it and know it for good. Let me see if I can share on my screen. Share, yeah, share. Can everyone see my screen? Can everyone see my screen? If you check at the Telegram channel, you will see this day. This was this trade here. I entered here, guys. I entered here. Then, I slept off. Price came for my SL. I slept off. Price came for my SL, right? So now, but when I saw this move happened, then I entered more because price was rejecting on which line? On the close of, I entered more. Then this price gave me $16,000. $16,000. Yeah, it was an investor's money, huh? So, so the price flashed up. So that's that, guys. That's that. So that is that for this one. So let's go. If you notice that it's the same thing. See, I might not be as knowledgeable as you are, but the goal is not the knowledge. The goal is being consistent. Bruce Lee said something. It's not about a man that knows 1,000 kick, but a man that knows one kick and has practiced it 1,000 times. So let's go. We don't have much time. Let's go. So we're done with this day. So same thing, same rules, same principle. This point here. Then the closing price is here. This is the closing price. So let's wait. Let's wait for what price is going to do. Remember London section. We're going to London section. We're going for London section. So let's wait. London section. Okay. This looks like a sell entry, but price did not touch that line, so I'm not taking it. I know it was a sell entry. If I would have entered this market here, I would have entered at this bearish candlestick here, and I would have caught 1 to 2. Maybe my stop loss would be above here. I've caught this, but I'll let it go. What I'm not sure of, I don't like taking it. I'm not sure of it. So let us let it slide. So okay, it's on 15 minutes. So now this is the highest point, this is the lowest point, this is the closing price. The rules remain the same. Two lines on your screen. Now please enjoy yourself. It's as simple as enjoy yourself. Sorry, please. Enjoy yourself. So now let's forward this. Someone asked me, do you wait for retest or you trade the breakout? Trade the breakout. Don't wait for retest. I wish I can explain the psychology behind this once again. I'll give you more detailed explanation on it, but I won't be able to do that. So sorry for that. I won't be able to do that. Okay, so now we're in our session. We're in our session now. What's going on? Sorry. We're in our session now. Okay. Not yet. Okay, not yet. Aha, entry. This entry here. Stop loss above this point here. Stop loss will be above this point. Then target 1 to 2 risks to reward. So let's go. Wow. Straight up. Price snap down straight up. Then that is where price closed. So we didn't really see 1 to 2 risks to reward here, but we closed that break even. That's entry price. So let's do a review of what happened. So let's say you started the week with $100, obeying the rules Racewing gave you, obeying these rules strictly. You're able to see 4 entries, just 4 entries in a week, right? Yeah, let's say $100, you are risking $20 every day. Yeah, you've made $40. Yeah, you lose $20. Your profit is back to $20. Yeah, you made $40. That's how much? That's $60. Yeah, no entry. Yeah, you end up at break even. Now, question mark: are you a good trader or a bad trader? Out of $100, you made $60. You made $60. You're a good trader. That's 60% of your account. Okay, so that's, you see what I'm showing you now. This is the reason why you can see me with $33,000 account and trade it to $50,000 account in a week. Let's move to this US oil. Let's do gold. Let's do gold. That's gold that you dread so much. USD. Let's do gold. Let's do gold. Let's do gold. So now notice that US oil is traded between London section. Please just give me a sec. It's giving me an alert that this is going to end in the next 10 minutes. Please just give me a sec so that I can work on this. Just a sec, please. Just a sec, please, everyone. Hello, please, just a sec, everyone. Just a sec. Just hold on for me, please. Okay, this is what's going to happen, right? So if this class end, I'm going to send another link to the group. So all you just have to do is join, just join, right? Just join the link. Then we continue the class. Okay, so let's move on to gold. XAUUSD. So that's Ohanda. Okay, so let's clear our screen, remove drawings. Let's remove drawings. So now, based on what you can see here, let's start from last week. Monday. This should be Monday. Okay, this is Monday. Remember, I gave everyone an instruction. If you want to trade gold, don't trade gold at London section. I repeat again. So if you notice, for those who has been following the update on the bootcamp, if you notice that I said we'll be trading Tokyo section. What we'll be doing on Tokyo section is nothing but gold. Tokyo section is nothing but gold. Someone said something, this is value. I backtested the Tokyo section on gold and the result was massive. It's that simple. The simplicity of Forex is as simple as that. Just obey instruction, obey. You know, but it's difficult, sir. It's difficult to obey instruction, especially when you have when you're coming from, you know, a state in which Forex trading has been described as one very tough and one very difficult business. So for Tokyo section, what you want to do is come back to this session we have here. We set here first. Come and set it to you set Tokyo section, then you talk off London section. We need London and New York. So the moment we don't find entry at Tokyo section, we'll look at it at New York section. So now market is currently at Tokyo section now on Monday. So let's forward this and let's see what it's going to give us. Beautiful. Do you see this breakout? Do you see this one? That's our entry. Entry here. Entry. This is entry for you. Entry here. Stop loss can be, let's put our stop loss below this point. Let our stop loss be below that point. Price should not come back there again. 1 to 2 weeks to reward. 1 to 2 risk to reward. Let's see what the result looks like. Okay, so let's see what the reward looks like. Now I'm going to explain something. I'm going to review something to us. Okay, so guys, your 1 to 2 is done. You see it? Even though it takes the whole day, but eventually you have your 1 to 2. Price should not come back here again. Simple rule: break it out, take your trade. For the next day, what do you have to do? Same thing. Same thing. One of the goals I have in my mind this year is to raise 1,000 millionaires in Forex trading. 1,000. The million might not be in dollar yet, but in Naira, like you being comfortable, you know what you're doing. That is exactly my dream. That's my goal. That's the reason I'm sharing this for you. So now look at this. Now we are at Tokyo section now. But look at this Tokyo section now. This Tokyo section now. This Tokyo section now. So let's wait for price. Let's see if we have any bullish candlestick or bearish candlestick that will break price to the downside or to the upside. Beautiful. Here we have it. That's our entry. A bullish candlestick and engulfing to the upside. Stop loss below this point here. Target 1 to 2. Someone said the big boys might come for you, Loss, because this is the simplest way to trade Forex. Even those that call themselves the big boys, they hit stop loss now. Let's talk about this, Seth. People that call themselves big boys. Most of you here, right? Most of you here. You are in different mentorship group. Everybody here. People that we call gurus, they still hit stop loss. So which simply means you can't run away from it. The banks hit stop loss. Banks, they hit stop loss because there is always a way bigger than you. There is always a way bigger than you. If there is no way bigger than you, the fundamental will take you out. So if stop loss is available in the market, then why don't we just stick to something that can give us high risk to reward, high risk to reward, and I say high risk to reward and good profit percentage. That's all. That's all. Let's see this again. Let's see this again. This is TP again. So what are you looking for? What are you looking for? So this is not to talk down on anyone. I hit stop loss. You guys see it too. I hit stop loss. So it's normal. Stop loss is normal. If you can't believe in stop loss, don't trade Forex. So you started your $100 trading gold alone. Do you know the funniest thing? You've made like 40% of your account with just 2 wins into the week already. Let's do the last one. Dr. Ray, you mean all your analysis is 15 minutes? As a day trader, yes, 15 minutes. As a day trader, yes. It doesn't pass 15 minutes. Because all that matters now, what I'm trading with now, I'm actually reserving this knowledge for the bootcamp guys, right? All that matters in Forex, right? There are 2 ways to trade Forex. Number 1, trade Forex with fundamentals or trade Forex with technicals. What I'm trading here is not technical. That's the reason why you don't see me draw trend line. You don't see me draw, you don't see psychological level. You don't see, what I'm trading now is price movement itself. Price movement itself. So now, we mark the lowest point price got to, which is here. This is the lowest point price got to. This is the lowest point price got to. Now, at the break of, what's it called? Tokyo section, my entry will be here. This is the candlestick that broke out. My entry will be here. My entry will be on this candlestick. At the closer of this candlestick, that will be my entry. My stop loss will be below it here. So I think price hits my stop loss. Yeah. So next candlestick, bam. Aha. Stop loss taken. So it's normal. We move. It's normal. We move to the next day. Once we are done here. Someone said, it be like say you know something else. What I know is discipline and consistency. What I know is discipline and consistency. And that is what I want to teach people. Like even what you trade, if what you trade is support and resistance, my brother, you will be profitable if you can be disciplined and you can be consistent. So let's take this. So I'll be ending this meeting anytime from now. I'll be ending this meeting, then we'll start a new one again. So I'm coming. This is the close of price. Then let's wait for our entry at Tokyo section. Let's wait for our entry at Tokyo section. Okay. Let's see if we have an entry. Okay. Guys. Okay, entry. This is an entry. This is not the entry. This is not the entry. Why? Price is still between this line and this line. This is engulfing candlestick. This one, this bearish one is the entry. This bearish one here is the entry. Stop loss above this one here. Target 1 to 2. So this meeting will come to an end anytime soon. We join. The next link I will send. Wow, price not its stop loss. The second edition of Dr. Racing Bootcamp is here and you don't want to miss this. So I will advise you, if you're interested in this bootcamp, in which starts by the 17th of August to the 17th of September, please message the number in the description box to book your slot now. I would advise you, when you're coming from this bootcamp, make sure you come with a proprietary firm or a live account because money must be made. Make sure you actually take leave from your work, because the way this bootcamp will be designed, it's a bootcamp. So I'm assuming that everybody that is coming in knows nothing about Forex trading. So this and the knowledge of Forex trading takes time. So we'll be cutting all our attention across London section, New York section, and Tokyo section, which simply means 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. for London section, 12:30 to 2 a.m. for New York section, and 1 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. to 3 a.m. for Tokyo section. You don't want to miss this, and this will happen for good 30 days. We'll be discussing each topic that you need to understand in the Forex market. So you don't want to miss this session. So go book your slot now. Okay, beautiful. So now, my goal is to see like everyone like Dr. Ray, like want to want to send tithes. Hey, that's the goal, that's the aim. Not just with particular people making money and everyone is confused that okay, what's this? Mr. Tunde, oh wow, I'm happy to see your baby. Mr. Tunde 4G, I'm happy to see your baby. Yeah. So, as I was saying, now let's go. Let's forward. Let's forward a bit. Now, look at this now. Look at what happened here. If you notice what happened here, this bullish candlestick that we have here, notice it's broke out of the last closing price of yesterday, right? But failed to break out of the highest point price got to yesterday. It gave weak rejection here. Price pretended as if it wants to break out. Price got rejected back in. Same thing, see the struggle between these lines. All of a sudden, we have a strong bearish candlestick sniped down and it closed below the closing price. Hence, that's our entry. And our stop loss, our SL will be above it. So that is why our entry is there. So then we forward, then you see what price did. So your broker might take you out here, but if you're using the broker I'm using, it will not take you out. So let's go. So yeah. So look at what happened. All of a sudden, then what you didn't plan for happened. Then price gave you 1 to 6 risks to reward. You didn't plan for this, but you see, 1 to 6 risks to reward happened. Beautiful. So let's go. Let's move. We are done with this day. This is Thursday. Let's go to Friday. I think some people are having issue with how I mark the prices, right? Someone said NFP. Amazing. So yeah, let's see. Okay. So look at this now. You mark the lowest points price got to yesterday, which is here. This is the lowest point. You mark the highest point price got to yesterday, which is this point here. You mark the closing price for yesterday. This is the last candlestick before price close, before this session break line comes up. This is a bearish candlestick. This is where this bearish candlestick close. You mark it. You've marked the 3 lines. Chakam. Then you wait for Tokyo section. Gold. Just wait for Tokyo section. It will come to you. Just wait for Tokyo section. Beautiful. So this look like an entry, but I won't take it until I see another bullish candlestick. I won't take this one. Ah, not here. This candlestick is too small. Let's wait for another one. Ah! If the next one is bullish, we'll take it. Okay, I'll take this one now. I'll take this one now. I'll take this one now. My entry will be here. My stop loss will be below this guy. Then target 1 to 2 risks to reward. Don't do pass yourself. See, don't stress yourself at all. If it's not going your way, it won't go your way. If it's going your way, it will go your way. It's as simple as that. See, that's it. See, that's it. That's all. So what I'm teaching you is not cunningly devised fables. It works. All you have to do is believe in yourself that it works. Backtest it. Create a demo account next week, 1 a.m. if you're in Nigeria. 1 a.m. Wake up. See, for those who are in the boot camp already, let me give you a gist. I know it is very difficult to be disciplined. I will teach you. 1 a.m. You go see my call. You go wake up. You must make it. Is that you make it or you make it? You don't have a choice. Right? So let's go. So this is on gold. Let's take another currency. Let's do GBPUSD, for example. Because some people are asking, does this work on every other pair? Does this work on every other pair? So let's do GBPUSD now. Let's do GBPUSD. 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 So let's go to FXCM. Let's go to FXCM. So for the sake of people who are asking me, what is the name of the indicator? What's this? What's that? So I'm going to try. This screen is rough. So let's use Pepperstone. I believe Pepperstone will give us something nice. Okay, Pepperstone is nice. So let me remove everything I have on my screen. Let me remove everything I have on my screen so I can take it again for the sake of the people who are asking us. Now, this is how your screen look like. This is exactly how your screen look like. Free mentorship. No money paid. So look at this. What you want to do first? What you want to do first is this. You want to, number one, be on 15-minute time frame. If you are writing, write it down. Be on 15-minute time frame. Number two, come to your settings. These settings here. Go to events, which is this one here. Click on session break and click on OK. Bam. You will see lines like this pop out on your screen. Sorry. Lines like this. They will pop out on your screen. What they mean? This point here is today. This is yesterday. Day before yesterday. 3 days ago. 4 days ago. Like that. So that after doing this, the next thing you want to do is come to this indicator. Once you get to this indicator, the next thing you want to do, once you get to this indicator, sorry, come to this indicator. Where is the indicator now? Yeah, this is the indicator. Type session. You will see session on chart by AU Rocks. This one here. Don't click this side. Click this side. Click. Chakam. Once you click this side this way, these colors will appear on your screen. Once they appear on your screen like this, you want to come, maybe your own is hidden like this. You see, you come to this side on your screen, click on this point here. You see section D. Just over your cursor around you, you see this icon pop up. You come to settings, right? For GBPUSD, can somebody type it in the comment section? What session will you trade if you are trading GBPUSD? Drop it in the comment section now. What session will you trade if you are trading GBPUSD? What session will you trade if you are trading GBPUSD? London section. I'm seeing London section. London and New York, correct. So you don't need Tokyo section. You talk about London and New York section. Then, okay. So once you click it, please, everyone, just give me a sec. Just a sec, please. Oh, sorry. I thought I was not mute. I didn't mute myself. So now we mark the highest point price got to yesterday, mark the lowest point price got to yesterday, then mark the closing of price for yesterday. Are we together? So after marking this movement here, all you want to do is wait for price at London section. Wait for price at London section. So let's forward price. London section, London section. Okay, not yet. Now look at this, please. Everybody pay attention to this now. Pay attention to what I'm showing you now. I want you to see something. Now, look at the way price is moving. It breaks above, breaks below, breaks above, breaks below, breaks above. Why? Because market is not in its original section. Let's wait for when price will be in its original section, which is London section. Let's wait. So London section, here we come. This is London section now. Look at this, guys. Please, can you see this? This is London section. So what you have to do here is, at this break, this is the candlestick that break. Stop loss here. Target 1 to 2. Do not do pass yourself. Target 1 to 2. That's all. See. This is it here. 1 to 2. Done and dusted. After this, you are done. Go to bed. Let everybody keep struggling. Go to bed. Then you want to come back when again? You want to come back at New York section. You want to come back at New York section. You want to come back at New York section. Once you get back at New York section, what do you want to do? I mean, I said New York section. Don't come back at New York section. No. You want to come back the next day. Come back the next day. Mark the highest point, which is here. Mark the lowest point. Or mark the closing. The close, which is here. This is the close. This is the closing price here now. This is it here now. Then mark the lowest point. This is the lowest point here. Right? After marking this, then wait for price at London. Wait for price at London section. And let's see what price we do. Wait for price at London section. Okay. So London section is London section here, not here. So let's keep forwarding. Let's keep forwarding. London, 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 London. So we are at London section. I think, is it now? Not now. We are at London section. This is London section. London section here. So what do you do? Entry. Yeah, because this price flash down, break all of the line, then close bullish. Entry here, stop loss here. Then target 1 to 2 risks to reward. 1 to 2 risks to reward. Then let's see what price we do. Then price eventually came for ISF after giving us 1 to 1. Beautiful. It's part of the game. But notice, price what? Went up first. It's important. It's important. Price will go up first. Aha. Because what is pushing price is not, what's pushing price is not technical analysis. Technical analysis is you just trying to trade the market based on, based on historical price data. What happened yesterday? We predict that it will happen today. But when you trade market with more of psychological direction or fundamentals, it's more definite. Most of the stop loss we hit, go and check it. So it will first go our way. It will give you 1 to 1 risk to reward first before going against you. Go and check it. So let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next one. Yeah. So, yeah, this is mark the highest points, mark the lowest points, which is here. Then mark the close. This is the close. We mark the close. This is the close. This is the close, right? So let's forward. Okay. 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 So price is looking like it doesn't want to give us entry. But I think not yet. Entry. This is not entry yet to. This is not entry yet to. Okay. Looking like an entry. Now, if you see a bullish engulfing now. Okay. No. Let's see break. Okay. Entry. Entry now. Entry now. Entry now. My entry will be here. This is my entry here. Stop loss above this candlestick. This LD bullish candlestick that created this move. Let me delete this line here so that I won't be confused. So 1 to 2 risks to reward. 1 to 2 risks to reward. So let's fire. Hey, stop loss. Oh, you're all scared. Oh, stop loss. Okay. He's all right. He's all right. He's all right. Unplanned blessing. I think this is news, right? This should be news. This is news, right? This is news. This should be news. Is that correct? I think this should be news. Yeah, on Wednesday. Yes, okay, news. Yeah, this should be news. Wow. I didn't trade GBPUSD actually, so I didn't even know that. What? What the actual heck? So let's see this. So we are done with this day. So mark the lowest point. After marking the lowest point, we mark the highest point, which is here. Mark the highest point, which is here. Then we mark the closing price. We mark the closing price, which is above here. So then, so let's wait for London section, London section, London section, London section, London section. Okay. 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 So we didn't have an entry. 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 Okay. Price is coming to our entry. Okay. This should be our entry. But this spike here is too long. So we won't count this as an entry. This spike here, this is a news. I'm sure this is a news. This is news. So we won't count it as an entry. So allow this price go. Allow it go. Yeah, I'm getting exhausted already. Huh? I'm getting exhausted already. So but please, if you want us to do one more pair, let's say USDJPY, drop one. If we are done, if we should be done for today, drop two. Let's end with USDJPY. If you want us to do USDJPY, drop one. Okay, so based on requests, Dr. Racing received the power to do USDJPY. Okay, so let's go. So let's go. Let's go. London section. Let's wait for London section. London section. So I think we are at London section now. Okay, not yet. Not yet. Aha, London section. What is this? This is a sell. This is a sell. Stop loss above this point here. Stop loss above this point here. Above this peak here. Target 1 to 2. Target 1 to 2. So let's see. Yeah. So congratulations, everyone. Yeah. So that's it. This is it here. So if you are trading GBPUSD and you started your week with $1,000, let's say you started your week with $1,000, right? So by the end of the week, let's say you are risking 100 or $200. So 200 plus 200 plus 200, that is I think that's 600. Let's say okay, sorry, if you are risking 200, that's 400 plus 400 plus 400, that's 1,002. So your account will be 1,000, that will be 2,200 minus 200, the one we missed here, that will be 2,000. That will be 2,000. Let's say you took loss here, for example. I don't know, but let's just say you took loss. You did what you're not supposed to do here. So you are still in profit of 1,800. You are still profitable. So now let's do the last pair for today, which is USDJPY. Let's do USDJPY. Now, I see some people asking about BTC. Do you know the problem I'm having with BTC? The problem is that BTC is not having a stable session. BTC is a universal instrument. It's not having what's it called, a stable session that it can be traded. Most people trade BTC at New York section. Personally, I don't believe in it. But it's all right. So now someone asks, Dr. Ray, you mean that you don't use higher time frame to do your analysis? You only do analysis on 15-minute time frame? Yes, and it works. I'm making money. Yes. So, but now let me say this. Because I say that you shouldn't, because I am showing you what I'm using here, right? That doesn't mean you should limit your scope of understanding other things. In fact, if you book a one-on-one section with me or book class with me, right? One of the things I emphasize the most is you having the holistic understanding, the fundamental understanding about Forex. After having the fundamental understanding about Forex, then learn to keep it simple. It's very important. I have over 40 strategies in my head right now. I can download them for you right now. But I can tell you the one I found the simplest the most. The one I found the simplest the most is what I'm using, and it makes me money. So I understand analyzing from the H4 time frame to if you've been with me, you should know now. Like these things, you should know these things are things we do. We do it for living. So, but keeping it simple actually help. It's actually help a lot. So let's do USDJPY. Then we call it a day. Then we answer some questions. Then we run away. USDJPY. So okay, let's do pepper stone. So so let's remove. Okay, we have no drawings here. So let's just Hamza, you are the one writing on my screen. Hamza, you're writing on my screen. This is the last warning. So I'm coming. So let's go to Monday. Now, what session, if you are trading USDJPY, what session should you be trading? Let me ask everyone here. What session should you be trading? USDJPY. What session should you be trading? Someone said New York section. Amazing. New York section. So what you should be trading is Tokyo and New York section. These are the places you will find entry. I won't lie to you. These are the places you will find entry. So let's configure R as to Tokyo and New York. New York. Okay, we need New York. We don't need London. So let's talk of London. Then okay. We've spent over 1 hour on this class. Wow, amazing. 1 hour. Really? So let's mark the highest point. Let's mark the lowest point, which is here. Let's mark the closing price, which is here. Okay. Okay. So let's wait for Tokyo section. Let's wait for Tokyo section. Let's wait for Tokyo section. Okay, this Tokyo section. So let's wait. Not yet. Oh, look like it, but not yet. We need to see that engulfing bearish candlestick. Aha, Yowa. Correct. That's it. Laka. That's it. That's it. So we move to 1 to 2 risks to reward. This is actually huge. But yeah, that's what the rule says. TP. Yeah. TP taking. Yeah. TP 1 to 2. You can see it here. 1 to 2 risks to reward. Taking. No stress. No stress. No more, no less. So let's go to the next day. Let's go to the next day. I hope people understand this. It's simple. It's very simple. I'm not here to convince you, or to confuse you rather, but to convince you that keep it simple. I hope I'm not spoiling markets for. Someone said something here. Someone said it's very simple, but it's important to trade with the trend. No, see, no, just follow the rules. It break it buy, it breaks it sell. Can I say something? Trend is still part of tech. I'll say it after the class, please. What's it called? What's his name? Please. Maskuranda. Please, once I'm done with this section, I want to unmute you. I want to explain something to you personally that I need you to understand about Forex trading. So, yeah, entry. Guys, entry. This is our entry. This is the candlestick that break. Abi now? This is the candlestick that break here. Let our stop loss be on this candlestick here. Let our stop loss be there. Yes, let our stop loss be there. That stop loss will be too much. If price wants to go away, may go. If you don't want go, may no go. Okay. Ash. Yeah, I knew it. I just knew it. That even if our stop loss is actually here, price will still come and take us out. I knew it. But price eventually went our way. Painful. But we move. Let's go to the next day. Let's move to the next day. Okay, so we mark the highest point, then we mark this point as the lowest point, then you mark this point as the closing price. We wait for Tokyo section again. Aha, this Tokyo section. Entry, entry, entry. That's entry here. This entry here. Entry here. Entry here. Then TP. TP will be here. 1 to 2. Then let's see what price we do. Okay. Take profit eventually. So that's it, guys. Then this is Wednesday. Let's do Thursday. Someone said this strategy made me some bread last 2 weeks. It's a shame that when I'm ready to trade, I got scammed by my doggy broker. Oh, sorry. Sorry for that. See, that's the reason why you see me. I'm yet to actually have a good partnership with any broker. I'm just observing. So even my investors, go and look for your broker. Then load your money if you trust them. I'll trade for you. But in this coming, what's it called? This boot camp, I'm actually reasoning some broker now that they're having sense. In fact, they're willing to give 200% bonus for everyone that loads their account. So which simply means if you come with a boot camp with $200 to load in your account or $1,000, you stand a chance of getting ×2. Someone said some of us are driving. Can we have the video recording, please? Okay. You want me to sell the video record? No, don't sell. Why should you sell? Yeah, man of God. Okay, I will drop it in the YouTube. I'll send the YouTube link to the Telegram channel. I'm a man of God. We won't sell this one. So let's go. Let's go to the next one. Okay. So we are at Tokyo section now. Okay, so this look yummy. This look entry. Entry. This is an entry. This is an entry. This is it here. Then I target 1 to 2. I'll target 1 to 2. So let's see. Price took us out again. But we're out. We're out. So let's wait for Friday, then we call it a day. Let's wait for Friday, then we call it a day. So this is it. Friday, then we call it a day. We call it a day. So yeah, this is the last day. I think I've tried. I'm exhausted. I think I've tried. So someone is this saying, sir, do GJ. I have family. Like, I have family. So this is the closing price. So let's wait for Tokyo section. Tokyo section, okay. Okay, I think no entry for this day. No entry, no entry. I'm seeing no entry. Yeah. So if you are trading USDJPY using this strategy, you would have 4 trades throughout last week, just 4. You want 2, you lose 2. Risking $100, 200 here plus 200, that's 400. You lose 100. So you're still in profit of $200. So that's consigning that. So let me take some few questions now. I won't take more than just 5 people. So let's go. So I won't take more than 5 people. Some people have been raising their hands since you started this class. It's just as if they target me and they just raise their hand. So Isa, please unmute. Isa, I'm asking you to unmute.
All right, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you very well. Can you hear me?
I can hear you very well, sir. So my
Okay.
question is on the fundamental aspect of US oil.
Okay.
All right, sir. So I could remember back then when, the basic meaning of tariff is if the price you pay for bringing goods into my country. So I remember back then when US sanctioned Canada, I was expecting US price to surge up, but instead it tanked. Could you please like explain the magic, or should I say fundamentals behind it?
Okay. Concerning what's it called? Tariff. You said when
Yes, sir.
US and Canada, when they had their tariff issue, right? You're expecting it
Yes,
to
sir.
surge up, but instead it
Yes.
tanks, right? Now you want to
Yes.
understand that what actually affects price moving up and price moving down is not actually just tariff, it's demand and supply,
Okay.
right? It's actually demand and supply. So now, where 49% of the world oil reserve is not in Canada. Oh.
Okay.
Canada is having a what's it called? A robust what's it called? A robust oil supply. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's say Canada is bringing oil into United States. Now that they have tariff issue, it simply means that Canada, in their own sense, might not want to supply US. Is that correct? Which simply means
Very well.
for every importer that has collected Canadian oil into United States ground is going to be redundant, right? It's going to be
Very well.
waste. So, which simply means that there is oil on the ground, but United States are not willing to buy from them. Do you understand why the reason why it's falling down? Now,
Which is
United
which
States
is
can
lower demand and higher
so
supply.
beautiful, beautiful. It which simply means United States might say, okay, we're not dealing with what's it called Canada again. We want to deal with Iraq or Iran. These guys or Saudi Arabia or what's it called United States Emirates. They are the huge supplier of petroleum. So when that thing happened, it was the oil that is coming into United States was shut down, was not received by them. Hence, the price of that Canadian oil, which is affiliated to what's it called, United States, will be what? Will go lesser in price, in value, and that is what happened. Do you
All
understand?
right, sir.
Thank you. So
LSD.
now, notice that when there is war between Iran and Israel, people that are creating this oil, the what's it called, the airspace, the water, the marine, what happened to the price of US oil? It went up immediately.
Touched up, yes.
Beautiful, because they are the ones that most countries in the world are receiving from, not even Canada.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's Iraq, UAE, and the likes of them.
Correct. Yeah, yeah, correct.
Yes, sir. Understood,
Thank you.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So that's one. Let's go to two. Mr. Timmy, please unmute.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. How's it going?
Fine, sir. So my question is, with this strategy, do you consider market structure?
Wait a sec. You're a Futarian.
Yes.
Amazing. Great Futarian. Amazing, amazing. I'm coming to school next month. Yeah, I'll be hosting a Forex seminar next month by God's grace in Futa.
It will be great, sir. We are lacking behind in Akure, especially Akure.
Okay. We'll talk about this later. So now you asked the question. What's the question, please? Remind me.
With this strategy, do you consider market structure and do you consider higher time frame?
No,
But
I don't.
especially 15 minutes, do you consider market structure on 15 minutes?
No, you don't. The only way you consider market structure is when you want to set your stop loss and you go to a lower time frame, which is 15, which is 1 minute. This information, I can't open everything here. See, if I want to teach you market trend alone, right? A week, I can't finish market trend. We'll talk about the psychological behind market trend. We'll talk about technical behind market trend, types of market trend, phases of market trend, laws of market trend, synergy between what's it called, trend on higher time frame and lower time frame, talking about counter trend line, how to actually enter, what's it called, the power of Fibonacci while trading market reverse. It's a lot. I'm telling you, it's a lot. So what I'm just doing here now is I'm trying to shorten it. Like, you don't need to know all of these things, right? In fact, I can teach someone who knows nothing about Forex this strategy and the person will cash out next week. If only you can obey the instruction. Draw your 3 lines, high, low, close of price. Wait for market section. It breaks above, sell. Breaks below, buy. Reject on. That's all. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
So that's it. Any other question, please?
No other questions, sir.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Doctor.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. David. I can hear you now. Hello, Mr. David.
Hello, Mr. David.
Mr. David, can you hear me? Mr. David. Mr. David, please unmute. I can hear you now.
Okay, you can hear me now, sir.
I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
So my question is, the confirmation entry to this particular strategy, is it engulfing candle, whether bearish or bullish?
It's actually price action. Price action. Price action. So the reaction of price at the particular point of interest. So I won't take it above that. I won't go. Yeah. So once you understand price action, you will get it. Price action. Price action.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay,
Thank
sir.
you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So
Hello, sir.
hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
I can hear you.
Hello, sir.
I can hear
Yes,
you.
sir. My last question also, well, are we waiting for price to break above the previous close or below the previous close? Then we wait for the price action to happen over there.
You wait for price to come. Also, let me just define price action. Price action can be defined as the reaction of price at a particular point of interest. So you wait for price to come close to your point of interest and study the reaction of price at that point. I don't want to take it above this point. The moment I take it above this point, then I've defeated the purpose of something. So I don't want to do that. Please, please. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
sir.
Yes. So someone is saying price action is the best strategy ever. No, price action is not a strategy. Price action is not a strategy. It's never a strategy. Price action can be defined as the reaction of price. This candlestick you are seeing here is price action, showing us the reaction of price at this particular time frame. A lot of people misunderstand this for strategy. It is not a strategy. Price action is actually like, it's just like me saying, it's just like, how can I put this now? It's just like me saying sand is part of the earth. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. No, it's normal now. So price action is not a strategy. It's actually what's it called? It's actually candlesticks. That's the word. They are all candlesticks you see on your screen. All these candlesticks you see here, all these candlesticks you can see on your screen, on this screen right now, they are all price action saying something disseminating information. It's now left to you to actually this point here, where I'm looking to actually have my stop loss. Do you know that it's some people's entry for a buy? And they have their price action confirmation around here. This place, so it's a lot. So let me rush. Lemby, please, this is the last person I'll be unmuting for today. Lemby, please unmute.
Hello, boss.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, good day, sir.
Yes, sir. Good
Yeah,
afternoon.
I want to good afternoon. I want to ask a question about the boot camp.
Okay.
Like, what specific time is it going to take place? Because
Okay.
because this is the time that I'll be going for work. Most of the time, I might not have time during London section.
Okay. Okay.
But if the boot camp is going to happen outside London section, I think I would just like to get. In fact, I really want to get involved. I want to get involved. Not I want to get, because the last year I paid late. So you asked me to.
No.
Yeah, I paid late. So this one now.
No
So I don't
problem.
want to miss this opportunity again. Please, I want to know: is it going to happen in London section, or it comprise all these section?
Yeah. So for those who don't know, let us make them know now. The boot camp is not just a class like what I'm having now. The boot camp is like spending the whole 30 days with me. So, and it's online. That's the reason why I choose online, not physical. Right?
Yeah.
We are going to have class 7:30 a.m. to 9 to trade London section. We are going to, so same day by 12:30, everybody, you must still be on your system, unless you are going to work. But my advice is, if you are trying to what's it called? If you want to join this bootcamp and you want to enjoy it, try as much as possible, even if it is 2 weeks. Just take leave from work or 1 week and
Well,
just
I'm taking, boss. I'm writing my leave right now.
So it's going to start by the 17th of August. That's the reason why I'm giving it enough time. I'm giving it enough time. So now, by what's it called? By 12:30, we're going to trade New York section. By 1 a.m., that will be 12:30 a.m. midnight, we are waking up again. So for those who will be missing these sections, I will make sure recordings are available, so you will be able to download them to watch them after. So now class, now you go run away from class. So
all right,
so
thank you. I'll do payment tomorrow. Thank you so much, sir.
No problem, sir. Thank you so much, everyone. I really appreciate you. And if you are yet to make payments, please, on the Telegram group, the details are there. You can send a message to the number I sent on the Telegram group. For people who are still on this call now, some people are begging me. I'm telling you, okay, if you're on this call, for you paying the sacrifice to wait till this time, I'm giving you the opportunity to still pay $65. I'm giving you the opportunity to still pay $65. So, and for everyone who will be seeing this YouTube recording before, what's the time now? Before tomorrow, 12 p.m. You are seeing this YouTube recording, I'm still giving you the opportunity to still pay 65,000 naira. I said $65, right? So, it's a sacrifice. I'm telling you, you can't imagine the things I'm putting in place to actually host this class. Now I'm starting to go to gym, just to be fit so that I won't break down. So it's a marathon class. It has never happened before. You yourself know there are some 1 month mentorship that you paid for that, or maybe twice a day or once a day that you'll be having classes. But now this bootcamp is every day. 3 classes every day. So thank you, everyone. Let's have a wonderful weekend. Bye, guys.